honestly, I have too many other things to worry about to spend much time stewing over it.
Right.
So I guess, I mean, I like the M&M idea. I was thinking that already, but I guess we need to decide. So what is? So did you see the paper? There's a paper that is.
Okay.
She gives instructions on where it's printed, and it says we have to decide a main writer for the designing the study. Then everyone writes up and submits their collection of the data. Like you said, we each buy 5 packages and we decide what our hypothesis test is going to be. If we're going to do, I can't even remember the name of the last one we learned. Oh, I just lost everything. Started with the A or something. What is it again? Avardro or something like that.
Yeah, there's a 15. Which one? Yeah, I know what you're talking about. The one that you compare many?
Right.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. ANOVA.
ANOVA, okay.
Okay.
So, what do you think, Morgan? What's the most simple one? Just
something simple.
I guess we could do a T. What are we wanting to do? Are we wanting to figure out, like, our hypothesis is that M&Ms are not, there's an infrequent amount of, like, we know we don't want to do weight because we don't have to want to measure the weight, but just the number of M&Ms in the package.
That's what I was thinking. It's just the amount in each bag.
Okay.
The number in each bag. So we find 5, and then we count each one.
Right.
And then we turn that data to the group. Is that right?
Right. So what's going to be our null hypothesis for that? Should we just get one bag, count one bag, and make that the null hypothesis, and say we're going to say that the null hypothesis is that there are this many M&Ms in a bag, and then the alternative hypothesis is that they're, what is it, not the same.
If it's ANOVA, if it's ANOVA, remember, needed to be only one different than the at least one different at least of another one in the group, because we are going to do ANOVA. Yeah. That would be. Huh?
I don't think we'll need to do ANOVA if we just do. We won't need to do ANOVA, will we, Morgan?
No, not if we just do like the bag as a whole versus doing different colors. If we just do a whole bag, we wouldn't have to do an ANOVA because we're just trying to figure out what we pick one and say that's the average, and then I guess our hypothesis, or less,
it's more than.
I wonder if she'll let us. Do you think she'll let us do something that simple?
I'm meeting with her tomorrow. I can ask her.
Okay, I'm supposed to be meeting with her too. What time are you meeting with her?
7, I think.
Okay. Do you want? Yeah. Why don't you ask her?
I have a question. But here in the portal, it says that the due date is today. What do we need to? No. Which part do we need to turn in today? Because in the due dates today is the group meeting and the final project overview.
You actually don't have to turn anything in. You just have to go over it.
Right.
In the bottom right corner, you'll see a little box that just says "Mark as complete."
Okay. Do we need to do assignments?
Well, we just
talk about it.
I think we just need to talk about who's going to be the writer of it.
And then what we can do is on Thursday when we meet again, we can decide, okay, I guess pick up then we can come together and decide on how we're going to do the study type situation. If that makes sense?
Yeah, that looks good. So Morgan, you'll talk to her tomorrow and ask her if we can do that.
Yeah.
So I guess our question will be, is the distribution of number of M&Ms different among the same weighted bags?
Yeah.
Are you going to do different or more or less?
We could just do more or less. Like, so that's like a two-tailed one, so we can decide, like, this is we pick one bag, we count 16. The test is to see if each bag has 16, or if, there's bags that have more or less.
Do you want to say more or less, or do you want to say different? Because that'll be two-tailed.
We could do two-tailed.
Because I think if we do two-tailed, we're more likely to reject the null.
Yeah, that could be better, because then it could be less or could be more, just different. Yeah, I think that's a good
That makes sense. Yeah.
That makes sense. It's less complicated than the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you'll ask for that, we can say, is the distribution different than the mean? So how are we going to get the mean? You might want to ask for that. Are we just going to take one bag randomly and count it and say a bag of M&Ms, so many ounce bag of M&Ms has this many M&Ms in it?
So just ask her how we want to get the mean. Yeah, I hope when she'll just say that's the best way, is just find one bag and then go off of that one bag.
I think so. What is it like? I don't know, 6 ounce, 4 ounce?
Yeah, I wish I knew.
Does it say you that did more candy, Morgan? Does it say in the back how many M&Ms bring? No, I've never paid attention.
I've never counted.
Weight. I think it's weight, no?
I think it does count. I think it does say the average, or we can probably look that up online.
I'm looking at it right now.
Then we find the mean there, and the average is right.
It's 1.69 ounce.
But we are counting.
Can you look up the average in one of those bags?
Yeah, let me see if I can find it. How many M&Ms in a regular bag? It says the bags are based on weight of the product and not how many of them are inside. Therefore, the quantity of the items inside may vary.
That's ridiculous.
In a plain M&M's bag, anywhere from 30 to 50.
What? I don't think I ever get 50.
No way.
Ever.
And are you talking about the big bag or the small one?
Just the 1.69 ounce, just the regular one. It's like $1 or whatever, 69 cents.
Oh, okay. I was thinking to buy the big one.
Oh, you're gonna go buy a big one?
Oh,
I don't want to buy a big one.
I was thinking I'm going to share with everybody. And okay, now $5. Oh, that's it. Okay.
I'm thinking she's probably going to say we need to do the color distribution. I bet you anything she'll say that. Because it's just more information, but we can always ask her.
Yeah.
I don't think that'll be hard. We'll just figure out, all my bags will be 1 through 5. Morgan's bags can be 1 through 5. Penny's can be 6 through 10. And then we have the green, the yellow, the red, the blue.
Right.
But
Yeah,
ask her and see if we can do it the simple way, and if we can't, then we'll do it the ANOVA way.
Sounds good.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
with colors we'll need the ANOVA.
Okay. So you'll ask her about that, and then we can get together on Thursday and make assignments as far as
Who's doing what and how? Yeah.
yeah. Okay. That sounds good. All right.
Okay.
We go on to the preparation.
Yeah.
I didn't do the homework part. I just did the preparation part.
Okay.
The preparation.
Yeah, I did the
Yeah.
homework. Did you guys all do the preparation?
I looked at it and then I went and also did the group meeting stuff. Not that it means I understood too much of it.
What's that?
So I
What
went
did
and
you say,
did.
Morgan?
I did the I did the actual group meeting, or at least looked into it a little bit more.
And I'm not supposed to record that, right? When we do the thing?
No,
Yeah, we
but
can
we can go over the individual, and I can definitely go over it with you.
The preparation assignment.
Do we need to? Do we need to go over that?
Do we need? Yeah. Do we need to? I mean, that's.
I
I just
think
checked
that
my